Hello, we are students of Shivaji S. Donle College of Pharmacy. We made a project about formulation, development, and evaluation of herbal toothpaste using sugarcane juice extract by the guidance of Dr. Manisha S. Nanagude. So, toothpaste. We made a toothpaste formulation of a toothpaste. So, why we made a toothpaste? Toothpaste is a dentifrice that is a use to keep teeth clean and maintain their health and improve their appearance. Toothpaste is primarily used to maintain oral hygiene, and the majority of the cleansing part is done by toothpaste mechanism action with the help of excipient including in toothpaste. Many herbal formulations are particularly successful because they contain active chemical components like polyphenol, gums, alkaloids, glycerol, and other compounds. In present scenario, herbal formulation are more acceptable in public opinion than chemical-based synthetic formulations. Our project is mostly based on the article which is by netmed.com of 7 benefits of sugarcane juice. Then second article uh, is by Dr. Nikita Toshi of 15 benefits of sugarcane juice. Then we used our formulations, or we followed a method of formulation by third article, which is formulation development evaluation of a novel herbal toothpaste from natural sources. So why we use sugarcane? According to articles we used, or a base of our articles, it says that sugarcane has anti-decay property. It boosts energy. It is rich in minerals. It is shows as a dentifrices, and it has an antipyretic activity. So about sugarcane. Sugarcane juice is a highly nutritious compound, and it composes many medicinal and pharmacological properties. So how we collected sugarcane? So we what we did was to ask we collected sugarcane from the local vendors. Then we cleaned that sugarcane stem and then cut into three portions, and with equal length. The length was about 40 centimeter, and we used it for our experiment. We extract sugarcane juice by powder operated sugarcane crush machine. Then we filtered it with a double sieve and a muslin cloth, and remove the extraneous matter. And then we again filter sugarcane juice, and then we use that as a photochemical used for photochemical reactions. Then we dried it by spray dry method. But we didn't get, as you can see in the first picture, we get powder which wasn't which we couldn't use in our experiment. So for that we brought sugarcane juice powder, which is available in any vendors. So we did evaluation of sugarcane juice extract. We used physical examination, such as parameters such as color, odor test. Then we use other parameters meters such as pH, moisture content, ash value, and total soluble solids. So qualitative phytochemical analysis of sugarcane juice extract. We used carbohydrate test. We used detection of alkaloid. We used detection of saponins. Then we also use detection of tannin, also detection of flavonoids. These are the test results which you can see about sugarcane juice extract. Then what are the ideal properties of toothpaste? It should be good abrasive, it should be non-irritant, it should be non-toxic. It should impart no strain in tooth. It should keep mouth fresh and clean, and it should show prolonged effect. It should be cheap and easily available. So these are the main goals. These were our main goals to make a toothpaste. So what are the methods which mainly used for formulation formulation toothpaste? We use dry gum method. They are dry gum method and wet gum method, but we mainly use dry gum method. For the formulation, what we did, firstly, we prepared base. So there are so first of all, I would like to tell how we did extraction of our uh, turmeric extract, bubble extract, neem extract. What we did, we take 10 mg of this powder. Then we use decoction method. Um, and then after that we filter out with micellar cloth, and that remaining water we dried it, and dried it till it became a powder. So that's how we made turmeric extract, babul extract, and neem extract. So for the base, what we did, we use solid ingredients such as sodium lauryl sulfate, citric acid. They were weighed accurately, as you can as a formula we have given the formula, and we sieved with a sieve number 80 to maintain particle size. Then ingredient were also mixed in mortar and pestle. Then after titration, after titurating it, we weigh glycerin, and until a semi-solid substance was created. Then we add herbal ingredients such as sugarcane juice powder, turmeric extract powder, then babul extract powder, neem extract powder. It were added. Then at the end we added clove oil, mentha oil. We use that as a flavoring agent. So this is the formulation content we use for sugarcane juice extract. That's how we did our formulation. Uh, Here, the first slide, there are dry ingredients. On the second side, we did it titurated with mortar and pestle. It did appear yellow first time, but it changes color, and uh, as you can as you can think that we use turmeric extract and it will show stain, but after some point it won't. Evaluation of herbal toothpaste. So physical evaluation, we did physical evaluation of the herbal toothpaste. Then pH, we used pH meter. Then for homogeneity, what we did was we applied force at 27 degrees Celsius, and the toothpaste should extrude a homogeneous mass from a collapsible tube or other suitable container. Furthermore, the bulk of the content must extrude from the container's crimp and be rolled out gradually. Then for sharp and edge abrasive particles, what we did, we just to verify for the presence of any sharp and abrasive particle, the content were placed on finger and scratch on butter paper for 15 centimeter. Butter paper was 15 to 20 centimeter. Then we went same procedure at least 10 times, and there were no sharp or edge abrasive particle discovered. Then foamability, what we did, the foaming power, that is foamability. We took 2 gram of toothpaste, and we mix with 5 ml of water, and by measuring with measuring cylinder, and we shake for a 10 time, and volume was calculated. Then also for a moisture contain, what we did is was 5 gram of herbal toothpaste was placed in a porcelain dish with a diameter of 6 to 8 centimeter and depth of 2 to 4 centimeter to determine moisture and volatile matter. At 105 degrees Celsius, it was dried in an oven, as shown in figure. Determination of spreadability. It is a slip and a drag characteristic of a paste are used to determine the spreadability technique. About 1 to 2 gram of sugar toothpaste was weighed and placed between two glass slide, and that was stacked one on top of other, and the slide were moved in opposite direction. After 3 minutes, measure the amount of toothpaste that has spread, repeating the experiment and calculating the average of three readings. That's the result of evaluation of formulated toothpaste. After making toothpaste, we send it for antimicrobial activity. What we did was the procedure anti. So after a formulation of our toothpaste, we send it for antimicrobial activity. What we did, they used Staphylococcus aureus. Again, they compare it with Staphylococcus aureus, and the antibacterial activity was evaluated by measuring the diameter of zone of inhibition. We also did antifungal activity. And for antifungal activity, what we use CLL beacons to compare with our toothpaste, and these are the results. So for antibacterial activity, it did show antibacterial activity, and for antifungal activity, it also shows the antifungal activity. So result are the given sample for antibacterial activity by using bacterial strain Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli, among which concentration 10 mg showed good activity as compared to standard. For antifungal activity, the sample uh, the sample that is our toothpaste uh, by used for antifungal activity by using fungal strain, that is C. albicans, among which concentration 10 mg per ml showed good activity as compared to standard. This is a pharmacological activity. We also tested for a pharmacological activity, and we use lactobacillus for that activity. We mostly use for anti we mostly use for anti decay activity, and we wanted to find out that toothpaste does show anti decay activity or not. So conclusion is, following conclusion can be drawn from result obtained during studies. Sugarcane as active ingredient can be used in toothpaste. Uh, Complete evaluation tests show that this herbal toothpaste can show promising effect. It also showing zone against lactobacillus bacteria. Hence, we can say that this toothpaste is showing anti-decay activity. Thank you.